Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's Friday and time for another love bite for you. These are general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, let's begin your reading. Let's see what wants to show up for you today. And welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you in as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Leo, the cards I have on my table right now is the Seven of Cups, King of Pentacles, Justice, High Priestess, the Empress, center of my spread, Five of Wands, Three of Swords, Two of Cups, and the Magician. All right, Leo, it seems somebody is sitting in their full power. And bottom of my deck, I have the Knight of Wands. So somebody could have been a bit wishy-washy here, dipping in and out of this Empress's life. And this Empress has kind of been listening to her intuition, been a bit confused about what's happening here, but finally I think decided to let go of fighting for this connection, recognizing maybe it's not meant to be. All right, I'm not sure, but we will clarify these cards. Let's start with some dialogue message cards first. See if you guys wanted to say something to each other, then we'll start clarifying these cards. So Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Leo and their person. Okay. Take a few from here, Leo. Leo and their person, if they could say something to each other now. And let's take a couple more from here, Leo. Leo and their person. All right, good to go. Let's start your reading, Leo. The first card here says, I feel like I've been fighting for your love. I feel like I've been fighting for your life, for you not only to stay alive, but for you to be your authentic self and to thrive. I want to see you embrace your dreams and fly free from everything that's been holding you back. So I think this is the Empress saying that, who's been kind of being encouraging to her counterpart or the person concerned. It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by my status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul? We're getting older and wasting precious time playing these dumbass runner-chaser games. Let's just level the F up already. Are we doing this or what? Again, this is the Empress, I think, who is quite tired of this masculine's immature behavior, never deciding, always kind of dipping in and out of this Empress's life. And this Empress is saying, why are you wasting time? You're either in or you're out. Why are you creating all this confusion for? Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. Your soul is always with me and mine is guiding you. We are always together in spirit, even though physically we may be apart. You're the most beautiful person in the world, at least in my world. You're my whole world, my universe, my all. This situation is messy. I was about to say that before I picked up this card, seeing the cards that I've just read out. Seems like quite a messy situation here. I want to restore your faith in me. See, that's been the problem. All right, so I'm going to start now. Before I clarify these cards, Leo, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. See how my angels can help here with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. For my Leo spirit, thank you. Heaven is watching over you. That's a blessing for you, Leo. If you've been confused, please know the situation is going to play out exactly the way it's meant to, because heaven is watching over you. All right, so let's see what's going on here now. Seven of Cups, Spirit. Seven of Cups. Yes, there is this Queen of Cups, I think, who's gotten a bit confused here. Probably now withdrawing her love. Because the situation was messy. There was too much confusion here. This Queen of Cups, who's also showing up as the Empress, has kind of turned her back from this connection because that feeling of always feeling left out, feeling abandoned, not knowing where the situation was heading, maybe with this King of Pentacles here. King of Pentacles, Spirit? King of Pentacles. Yes, as much as I think this Empress thought this King of Pentacles was going to be a very stable person in their life, turned out to be the Emperor in reverse. Somebody who was very controlling, somebody who was, it was always my way or the highway, trying to play these dumbass runner chaser games, like the card said. And I think this Queen of Cups has turned her back and decided to bring back justice in her own life. Yes, because there was, like I said, situation was messy. One didn't know whether this was leading to emotional satisfaction or not. So I think there's a bit of silence between the two of you right now. Yeah, somebody's kind of lost their will, their strength to fight for this connection anymore because nobody was making a decision here. Somebody was just either not making a decision or keeping the other one confused or trying to control the, the pace of this interaction or this confusion. Somebody is now sitting in their power and saying, hey, listen, I never really needed you. I wanted you in my life. And if you're always going to make me feel not valued, not respected, not grounded, never going to commit, then I think I'm going to stop fighting for this connection. Five of Wands, Spirit? Yes, because things were just not moving. There was too much stagnancy here. And somebody's decided to put a halt to this connection and no longer be stressed or worried or wait for things to rectify now. Somebody's kind of given up and healing their broken heart now because they've realized that this kind of love can't be love. Two of Cups in reverse. Three of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Three of Swords in reverse. Yes, this Empress is kind of moving on here. And because basically this Empress is looking for somebody who can offer an equal partnership, equal give and take. But I think instead what was happening was somebody was dealing with a magician in reverse, somebody who was trying to be an illusionist, a trickster. And that was not kind of bringing this love connection together. Two of Cups, Spirit, in reverse. Two of Cups in reverse. Yes, this Empress is getting out of a stuck place, maybe after waiting for a while, but now since communication has kind of halted or barely there, somebody's now got their guard up now, being a little defensive against this Magician in reverse, who they feel is kind of just tricking them. Magician in reverse, Spirit? Yes, I think somebody's shutting this door, shutting this chapter, and allowing the Tower to fall naturally. One more, Spirit. Somebody's coming to an acceptance here, even though I think, yes, I think somebody has been waiting for some time, maybe keeping a watch on the other, waiting, wishing, hoping, unable to kind of really let this go completely. But now it does seem that somebody's come to the realization that this is a complete halt, this is a complete ending, a complete shut down to this chapter, because this is getting a little overburdening, little overwhelming to have a situation which is that messy when one person is always kind of playing games. So this Empress is saying, I'm done, no more games. Okay, so this is just a quick little love bite. We'll get deeper next time, but till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.